Hey everyone, want to connect Google Drive to ClickUp? In this video, I'll show you how to link Google Drive with ClickUp, manage files, and improve your team workflow step by step. First, open your web browser and go to the ClickUp website. Sign in to your account and open your workspace. Next, open your ClickUp profile settings or workspace settings to access the integration options. Now find the *** integrations * section and look for * Google Drive * from the available apps. Click Google Drive and choose the option to connect your account. Sign in with your Google account and allow ClickUp the required permissions to access your Drive files. Once connected, open a task in ClickUp where you want to add a Google Drive file. Click the Attachment option and choose Google Drive to browse and attach files directly from your account. Select the document, spreadsheet, presentation, or other file you want to add to the task. Next, use Google Drive attachments to keep important project files connected with your ClickUp tasks. This helps your team find documents without searching through multiple platforms. You can also add Google Drive links inside ClickUp docs, comments, and task descriptions for easier collaboration. Review your permissions regularly to make sure team members have the correct access to shared files. Finally, organize your Google Drive folders and ClickUp projects together so your workflow stays clean and efficient. And that's how to connect Google Drive to ClickUp. By linking your files with your tasks, you can improve collaboration, reduce manual searching, and keep all your project information in one organized place. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more easy technology guides.